Hello friends, I am Dr. Yogesh Vaidya, Senior Robotic Joint Replacement Surgeon at Pinnacle Ortho Center Hospital, Thane. So now the latest buzzword in knee replacement is the robotic surgery. So what exactly is the robotic surgery? Many a times patients come to us and they say that we want to get the knee replacement done, but we want to get a robotic surgery. When they come to us, they have many misconceptions in their mind, or they have many ideas which they are not very sure about. So first, let me tell you, so what exactly is robotic surgery? So robotic surgery is nothing but it is a use of technology in our knee replacement surgery to increase the precision and to plan the surgery in a better way to get more predictable results. This surgery is definitely performed by the doctor. Patients think that many a time some robot will come and do their surgery. It is not so. So it is always a doctor who is in control of your surgery. It is rightly, if you want to say, it is a more of a robotic assisted surgery rather than a robotic surgery. So a robot here is assisting the doctor performing the surgery. So why we need this robotic surgery or technology in our knee replacement surgery? So worldwide across, it was seen that even after doing the best surgery, even after in the best of the hospitals, around 20% of the patients used to remain dissatisfied after the surgery. So that is the reason why many a times patients are apprehensive about getting their surgery done, because many a times they feel that they will not be able to walk after the surgery, or they will get pain after the surgery. So when the research was carried out, they found that the main thing about why the patients are dissatisfied is not achieving a proper alignment during the surgery, or if there is an improper soft tissue balance around the implanted joint, the patients remain dissatisfied. So in order to optimize our results, to get the perfect alignment, to achieve the proper soft tissue balance, to restore the joint line, the use of technology was implemented in the knee replacement surgery. So what exactly robotic surgery helps us to do? Firstly, what we do is that during the surgery, we have to feed the data to the computer as to what is the 3D image of the patient's knee joint. Once the 3D image of the patient's knee joint is achieved, it helps us to plan the surgery. So how much amount of bone needs to be resected, what is the angle at which we have to correct the deformity, what was the pre-existing deformity, what we need to achieve in the post-operative alignment. So all these things help to be achieved with the help of robot or technology. It is more precise, more accurate, and more personalized for each patient. So we can have a personalized plan for every patient. As you know, every patient's knee is a different knee. So knee replacement with the robotic surgery can be achieved in a more personalized manner and more accurate manner. So when we use a robotic surgery, the patient gets less post-operative pain. There is a less blood loss. There is a less need of physiotherapy. Patients can return to their activity in a much faster way. So friends, here is at Pinnacle Ortho Center Hospital, we have our own robotic surgery. Here we do robotic surgery, assisted surgery, and we help to get the patients back to their normal activities in a much faster way. If you need any more information about robotic surgery, you can get in touch with us on the numbers listed below, or you can get more information on our website, which is listed below. Thank you.